10 natural ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup. 1. Brush regularly. Brush your teeth at least twice a day to remove plaque before it hardens into tartar. 2. Floss daily. Flossing can remove plaque from areas your toothbrush can't reach. 3. Use a mouthwash. Antiseptic mouthwashes can help kill bacteria that cause plaque. 4. Eat a healthy diet. Foods high in sugar can contribute to plaque buildup. Opt for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Drink plenty of water. Water can help wash away food particles and prevent plaque buildup. 6. Avoid tobacco. Tobacco products can lead to tartar buildup and gum disease. 7. Limit alcohol. Alcohol can dry out your mouth, making it easier for plaque to stick to your teeth. 8. Use a tartar-controlled toothpaste. These toothpastes contain ingredients designed to break down plaque. 9. Regular dental checkups. Your dentist can detect and remove tartar that you might have missed. 10. Use a dental pick. A dental pick can help remove tartar at home, but be careful not to damage your gums.